The secret way to lock photos in iPhone. This is how you do it. Go to settings here, go to apps at the bottom, open it, look for notes, open it, go to password. Now choose a password method. Either use the device passcode to unlock the note or use custom password if you want. If you select the custom password, at first you have to enter the iPhone passcode, and then here you have to enter the custom passcode that you want to use. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6, verify 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then if you can give a hint so that you remember the passcode. Let me give a hint, number, and then select the stick mark, select OK. You can also use your Face ID if you want to unlock the note, and here you have to enter the passcode that you have just set. OK. So once you have set passcode for the note, open the notes application, create a new note, and give here a title, photos or whatever you want. You can give it here. After that, go to gallery, open it, open any album, select photos that you want to save there. So you have to copy, and then you have to open the notes, and then you have to paste it here. So you can copy and paste as many photos as you want. After that, select this tick mark, tap on this menu here, select this lock icon. Now the note is locked. So people will not know that you have secretly locked your photos in the notes application. And if you want to open that photo, you have to go to notes. You will see the note here, open it, then select view note. Either use the Face ID or use the custom passcode, and then OK. So this will only open the locked note. What I will suggest you is the private photos that you copy and paste here, remove it from the gallery. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.